Today's intro was supposed to be in my studio, but this morning I completely smashed one of the bulbs in my studio lights. So today's intro isn't in my studio. Hey.
What's going on, man?
How you doing? Eric ordered floppy. Why did you order
these, man?
I used these in like grade 2.
They're save icons.
What is the point of these?
You'll see. Can't tell your viewership just yet.
Where do you even buy those from?
eBay.
How much memory are they?
It doesn't really matter for the purposes I'm using them
Capacity, 1.44 megabytes. My thumbnail pictures are 7 megabytes. Friday nights, because the studio light broke. I have a big announcement.
Huge announcement.
Huge announcement. Tomorrow, I'm posting my sneaker collection video. I already filmed it. The rough cut is 46 minutes and 22 seconds. Is that too long?
That's way too long.
Is it?
Yeah. Wait, that's a movie.
Yeah.
That's a full.
But I don't know how to cut it down.
That's a full episode.
Because like I showed like 300 pairs of shoes. I don't know how to cut it down.
I thought you were kidding.
No, I'm serious. It's 46 minutes and 32
seconds. Okay, no,
seconds.
it's not too long.
No?
No.
Okay. Put out a thing on Snapchat. Told you guys to end me questions. Am I having a stroke? Put out a thing on Snapchat. Told you guys to send me questions. You guys have sent. Wow. We have like 40 questions.
Shit, man. It's been like 5 minutes.
It's been like 5 minutes. We have like 40 questions, all directed towards Eric. Favorite color? What's your favorite color?
Black.
Why? That's not a color. That's the absence of color, Eric. Or the inclusion of all colors. One of the two. When are you coming back to Toronto, Eric? I don't think that question is meant for you.
Well, I'll be in Toronto either the last week of February or the first weekend of March doing a 3-day pop-up.
I'll be in Toronto the first week of March too.
Oh shit, let's go
for
together.
For a Foot Locker event. Yeah, let's go together. Let's do it. Was there anything other than shoes that inspired you to do a clothing brand? Finally, a question about you.
Yeah, shoes didn't actually inspire me to do this at all. So what inspired me to do a clothing?
I guess so, yeah.
Oh, hip hop. Yeah, street culture.
Nice. Okay, this is a question that no one asked, but like every time I come here, I get like 6 people asking in the comments, do you have a website?
Yeah.
And what's the website?
Yeah, FridayNights.ca.
FridayNights.ca, not .com.
And it's Knights with a K.
Knights with a K, like swords. Knights.
Yeah.
Hey Tom, I love your videos, man, like for real, you don't understand. Why don't you move to the USA since you're always there?
Yo, sick question.
Do you use a Jewel or Soren or anything like that? If so, what fave flavor?
I don't know what that means.
Oh, this is a good one. For those like myself who attended New York SneakerCon but were unable to find/meet you, when's the next time you'll be in the States for a meetup or event? In brackets, East Coast. I'd really like to meet you. You're my favorite YouTuber, ATM.
Thank you. I appreciate that. No.
I'll be in New York Friday to Sunday, Friday to Monday, and I'll be at Philadelphia Soul Exchange on the Saturday, January 19th, 22nd. So yeah, that's where you guys can meet me. Favorite album of 2017. There we go. You actually listen to hip hop.
There we go.
I listened to like 2 albums in 2017.
I gotta either give it to
Lil Pump.
No. What's your favorite guy?
Blake Linder?
Yeah.
Where do you want to your next? Where do you want to your next? Where do you want to your next?
Over there.
So since I smashed my studio light today, I can't exactly unbox something in my room because there's like one tiny little window that I get light from, and that is not happening. So we're Friday nights unboxing stuff today. I got an envelope that I already opened because I thought it was like a bank statement or something, but someone actually sent me some fan art and a letter. So first off, it's from my man Gavin, and he said, "Hey, I hope you like the artwork. You're my favorite YouTuber. Keep up the good work. If you would stop talking about sneakers, I would still watch you. I think your goal of 200 sneakers by the end of the year is a good goal. It would be good to see you display your sneakers as you continue to..." Gavin, thank you for the note. Penmanship needs work. He sent me a whole bunch of drawings of shoe. Oh, wow. This is actually sort of cool. Thank you, Gavin. I appreciate it. Okay, now onto the shoes. I have no freaking clue what these things are. They showed up in the mail. I'm assuming they're probably from Champ Sports because they were sent from Mississauga, Ontario, which is where Champ Sports is. But there's also Foot Locker headquarters there. I think Adidas headquarters is there. I honestly don't know who these are from. It's a really, really light box. I'm assuming it's shoes just because of the size, but it could be like cardboard and nothing else because there's like no weight in this. So we'll see what this is. I'm a little bit excited because I'm not expecting anything. I don't think there's like any Jordan retros that come out in the next couple of weeks that Champs will be sending me. So this might be something sort of cool. Might also be something sort of terrible. I really don't know. All right, we got, oh, okay, so this is not from Champs Sports. I'm gonna take a wild guess and say this is from Under Armour. Thank you, Under Armour, if this is from Under Armour. They sent me the Steph Curry 4s a month ago, the white and gold ones. Those ones are really, really nice, and I haven't had a chance to play basketball in those yet, but those are pretty cool. This looks like, I'm assuming, some sort of performance shoe. The UA Sling Flex Rise. Okay, I have no idea what these look like. This is my first impression. I know nothing about Under Armour shoes, so forgive me of how uneducated I sound. They're not my least favorite thing in the world. They're definitely sort of cool. I like the material up top. It's like a fly knit, prime knit. I don't know what Under Armour calls their knit material. And then you have charged foam in the midsole, which is what I think they use in all their basketball shoes. So I'm guessing this is sort of like a gym training shoe. You could go work out in these. You could go train on turf with these maybe. Although there's not like a lot of ankle support. This is probably just like a casual shoe or a shoe for working out in. Not something I'd really wear. As you can tell by my rippling muscles, I don't work out. So I wouldn't really wear this to the gym. I have 300 other pairs of shoes I could wear casually. So to be 100% honest, this will probably sit in my closet for 2 years until I give it to a buddy who actually wants to use it. But Under Armour, I do appreciate it. Thank you for sending these out to me. Taking a closer look at the shoe though, I mean, it's all gray charcoal with that black Under Armour logo on the heel. You have a black upper portion of the midsole. Your foot actually sits in that black part, and then your foot sits on top of the white actual midsole, which is a lot harder than the black foam. And then on the bottom you have a very flexible cutout traction pattern, which looks pretty cool. And besides that, I mean, it's a regular gym shoe. The laces go like into the shoe, which is sort of cool. I'm a fan of that. I think it's a pretty simple shoe. It's probably a pretty comfortable shoe, and if you work out, it's probably a pretty good shoe for that. I'm assuming they retail for around like $100 to $130 would be my guess, but I honestly have no idea. I'll leave a link down in the description if I can find one if you guys want to buy these. But yeah, that is the Under Armour Sling Flex Rise. Thank you, Under Armour. I appreciate it. Guys, thank you for watching. I also appreciate that. If you're excited for the sneaker collection video coming tomorrow, make sure to smash that like button. Let's see if we can hit 3,000 likes, and I'll post the video extra early tomorrow. That being said, appreciate you guys for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and until next time, peace. What?
Yeah.
Under Armour signed with Curry.
I heard he's like dropping them because they support.
Under Armour's dropping Curry? Or Curry's dropping Under Armour?
Let me find this.
Because they support Trump?
Yeah.
Where did you hear this?
I can't remember.
You also believe in celebrity clone conspiracies,
Dude.
so.
I don't actually believe in celebrity clone conspiracies. Armour. I'm gonna find this right now.
Are you?
Yeah.
This lens is really
Why
good.
Under Armour's CEO had to ditch Trump? CNN Money.
He ditched Trump because of Curry?
Let's find this. Let's find this. Under Armour CEO defends his Trump comments. Fortune magazine. Here we go. Exclusive. Stephen Curry responds to Trump.
Stephen Curry? That's the reason he left Nike, is because they called him Steven.
I was reading. I was sounding it out. Stephen Curry responds to Trump praising Under Armour bus. It's just Trump having breakfast with the CEO of Under Armour right there, you know.
Nice. So Curry was gonna leave because of that?
Where is it? I just heard this from some like basketball head that I was talking to. So don't take my word for it.